Hey, good morning YouTube friends and fans. This used to be a sledgehammer. You notice I'm missing the metal. Kid hit it on the end of a wedge for splitting the log. I'll show you which one he did. We got to try to fix it, and I don't want to go buy a new handle, so we're going to grind it down and see what we can do. Stick around. AZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So there's the head. I think we're pretty close. Not a sponsored video, but I'll leave in a link below for this flap disc. I don't know how well you can see it. It's a pretty tight fit. Just keep on going. We'll cut the ooh, it's in there good. You can see the markings where I've got to grind it some. I really need to do this by hand here pretty shortly. But we'll cut this groove halfway down the middle so I can put a wedge in there. We'll skip to that now. Set the saw. We'll use the fence for the guide. A little deeper on one side than I want, but we'll push it through hopefully. There you go. Probably deeper than I want it to be, but it'll be all right. Doesn't look too bad, really. So if you've never seen this done, you're supposed to hit the handle from the back, and it's supposed to actually drive that handle through it, and it'll suck up that metal. I like it. Not much else I would change. Just time to glue the wedge in. So on the table saw, we're going to make a wedge. I'm going to use a scrap piece of wood here. What I think I'm going to do is stack this about like so. Push the board through at an angle. Just about like that. One hardwood wedge. We're also going to put a ton of glue on all this, just to make sure it seats itself. Your glue, do the same thing. Always forget to wipe the excess off. Gotta love wiping your fingers with glue. That's not perfect, but I've not gotten much better ever. Thanks for watching. Okay, comments, likes, click the thumbs up, and let me know if I can be of any help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Next level.